Interesting question. Can you make a video why Nigerian men ask for bride price after living with a woman for years, having children, and when let's say it's over, she have to return? I didn't get the rest of the question anyway. But this does not happen everywhere in Nigeria. We have over 240 ethnic groups in Nigeria with over 520 languages in Nigeria. And each of these ethnic groups have quite different cultures. They have cultures that may be similar, but they are not necessarily the same everywhere in Nigeria. So this particular culture happens around South, mostly around South and Southeast Nigeria, not everywhere around Nigeria. Personally, where I come from, they don't practice this. As long as the marriage or the wedding happened, and as long as the marriage was consummated, there is no returning of bride price at all. So that aside, the straight answer to this question is misogyny. That is why they do not see women with value. Consider the case of slavery, because I tried to type this for you in the comment section and TikTok kind of took it down, took my comments down, and they said it violated community guidelines. So I tried to switch it up.